Let's do it. I'm gonna choose left arm.
All right, sounds good. And away we go.
Go! What's up, pranksters? Welcome back. Today is November 1st, 2018. Well, what does that mean? It means that today I'm celebrating 10 whole years here on YouTube. Now in this video, I'll be answering some questions, talking about why I'm still wearing this mask, and towards the end, I'll be announcing a brand new giveaway for you guys. But before I do that, here's a quick little timeline of my channel.
The date is November 1st, 2008.
That's when I created my official YouTube channel. At first, I just started uploading old content that I had previously created for metacafe.com. Now the following year, 2009, I started to upload new content, brand new stuff, exclusively on YouTube, and I was just doing it for fun. At the time, I was not earning any money, but I still loved the idea of making videos. Now 2010 was a different story. I reached 1,000 subscribers around May of that year. Also, I submitted my application to YouTube to start making money, and they accepted it after 3 tries, because back then you would get rejected. So that's when I went full time on YouTube, started making videos for you guys. And no, the views were not high then, but 2011, that's when I started to see spikes on my view count, and I was so excited, guys. I kept on producing videos for you guys. I kept on uploading, and then the breakthrough. I had my first viral videos, and once you get 1 million views on a video, guys, that just pushes you to make more content, and that's what I did in 2012. I kept at it, I kept uploading, and success was still there. But just like with anything, guys, you always end up stopping, slowing down. You reach a peak and then you go down. But that doesn't mean that it's over, right? 2013 was not good to me. So my views dropped and I decided to do something different. By 2014, I used this mask for the first time. And 2014 was the first time I ever talked about our face reveal, because nobody had seen my face prior to that. I normally didn't show anything but my hands when I did my pranks and my hacks. Now, 2015, I believe, was the revival of my channel, because I thought it was dead at that point. I didn't think I was ever gonna do anything with this channel, just because the views weren't there anymore and I was not getting anywhere. But fortunately, April Fools came around, guys, and I started uploading a lot of compilation prank videos. And yep, it took off once again, guys. I was soaring like an eagle. I had lots of views, so that put a lot of motivation on me to keep on producing. And in late 2015, which was a Christmas video, I actually dropped that old voice that I had. I stopped using it completely, and I started appearing in my videos more with the mask. So the mask was on full time. And 2016, I would say, guys, was the best year for me on YouTube for a few reasons. First, view count was really high. I was getting a lot of views. And don't let me get started on the money. But views were high, subscriber count was high. I actually did a hand reveal that year. And I believe it was one of the years where I uploaded the most videos. Another thing that I did, guys, I actually created 2 channels. One of which was Cynics TV along with Sin Fatal. And one of the best things that happened in 2016 for me, guys, was the fact that in December, right before my birthday, which is January 1st, I hit 1 million subscribers. And that was an amazing feeling, guys. I never really thought that I would get that many subscribers, because the year prior, I had like 150,000 subscribers. So fast forward 12 months later, and boom, 1 million subscribers. 2017 was a different story than 2016. Yes, I had lots of views, and yes, I earned a lot of money, but my personal life kind of got in the way. I had a health issue, guys, and I required surgery. And now, I never really announced this on one of my videos, but I had surgery on my leg. And good thing that I had made videos prior to my surgery, which was around the summer of 2017, because otherwise, I don't think I would have produced anything. I knew that I was getting surgery, so I had to make lots of videos and spread them out until my recovery, which my recovery, guys, took a long time. Now, the thing about that surgery is that it sidelined me for so many months, guys. I stopped going to the gym, which I just love, but I wasn't able to, and the lack of gym took its toll on me. But eventually, guys, I got over that. 2018, I got back to making videos, and I started making videos almost daily, guys. This year alone, I've made so many videos, and I'm not gonna stop anytime soon. But again, 2018 wasn't good for my channel. There was a decline, which happens to everybody, guys. I'm not worried about that. It's just part of being an online creator, guys. So don't worry about that. I'm not worried. I still love making videos for you guys. And like I said, I'm not gonna stop. But basically, that's a little short timeline of what's been going on in the last 10 years here on my channel. So I've been on YouTube for 10 years. Nobody knows who I am. Nobody even knows my first name, basically. I've never really told anybody what my name is. I've never really shown a picture of my face on a video. I did on Facebook once, but I don't have that many followers, so not a lot of people saw it. Good thing nobody took a screenshot either. Or at least I don't think anybody did. Otherwise, there'll be a picture of me out there. But for years, I've talked about a face reveal. I've mentioned it so many times. You guys have been asking me. It's the one question that has been asked so many times. When will I do a face reveal? And I have said I was gonna do one eventually. And most likely, if I ever did a face reveal, it would have been today on this video. And I was confident that it was gonna happen, but some of the fans are just not happy with that. Usually my real fans are the ones that don't want a face reveal, and people that watch my videos here and there that are not even subscribed to me and have not been following me for a while, they're demanding a face reveal. I don't think that's fair, but I think that it's fair to do a face reveal regardless. I've said it once before and I'll say it again in this video. I will do a face reveal. I cannot go my whole life without doing a face reveal. The question is when. It was supposed to be today, guys, because today is my 10th year here on YouTube officially, but it's not gonna happen today, guys. And if you ask me, have I done an official face reveal before on a video, I would say no and yes. No, because I've never made a video on this channel and shown my face. But in one of my previous videos, I mentioned that in 2016, I created a channel. Now, I'm not gonna say that name of the channel. I had 3 of my friends working with me at the time, 2 of which are Sinfado and SB. You guys know them. We were creating some awesome content. I didn't really care about wearing a mask in those videos. For example, here.
All right, so I picked, ooh, right up my alley, baby.
Oh, what is it?
Arm wrestling.
Ah, damn. Okay, so which arm are we doing?
It don't matter. You're going to lose regardless, so.
All right, man. I like that. I like that.
Come here, boy.
Let's do it. I'm going to choose left arm.
All right, sounds good. And away we go.
Go! Nope! We were having dares, challenges, pranks, how-tos, and all kinds of things, including a few magic tricks. I remember we did some crank calls, and those were really funny too. The channel didn't take off as much as I would have wanted it, guys. In fact, my main channel did take off. The original plan was to link them together eventually and come up with a really great way to do a face reveal. But things don't always go my way, guys, so I dropped that channel. I deleted all those videos, but as you guys can see from these clips,
I like to be that guy.
whoa, can't match that. That was me. And yeah, I was way fit back then. Oh man, was I cut back then. Stupid surgery. Anyway, it's only a matter of time before I get back to that point. But if you guys missed those videos, I wish I could post them now. But unfortunately, I can't. At least not now, guys. But I would love for you guys to watch those videos eventually. I might upload them here or continue working on that other channel with my friends. I'm not sure at this point, but I know that you guys will see my face soon enough. And if it doesn't happen here on my main channel, it'll happen on Cinex TV. I'm really tired of wearing this mask, and I'm tired of not being able to shoot in public.
Hey, yo, Next, are you ever going to prank real people, man? I'm pretty sure your viewers want to see that.
Well, that's a good question, and I was getting to that, SB. Yeah, I do want to prank real people. I don't want to go too extreme, nor do I want to fake pranks like back in the day. People used to fake all kinds of pranks. Nope, I want to get real people with real pranks and real reactions, even if they're not that awesome. I'd rather them be real than fake. And I also want to do some really extreme stuff for you guys. And that requires me to lose the mask and be my true self with you guys. And even though I keep pushing this back and back, I don't think I'll be able to push it further back, guys. It's gonna happen eventually. So just stick around and eventually you'll see who I am. And I think things are gonna be way different once I lose the mask. So what's the next move, guys? How do we keep growing? Well, we do what we do best. pranks, hacks, and anything in between. Now, last month I had a mask design contest. I ran out of time, guys. I was not able to get to that, so I've extended the deadline to November 25th, 2018. So design me a mask, guys. Link is below. You guys want to watch that video for further instructions. But I'm giving away $150 at Amazon if you guys participate. All I'm looking for is an awesome mask design. So get creative. Link is below if you guys want to check that out. It doesn't hurt to try. You got nothing to lose and 150 bucks to gain. But that's not the only thing that I'm giving away. Since I haven't done a really big giveaway in a while, I'll do one right now in this video. Now, this giveaway ends December 1st, 2018. So we got a whole month to find a winner. And I'm giving away an Xbox One. Not only that, but if this video happens to get over 1 million views, I'll be adding on to that prize and I'll include some Fortnite stuff and possibly an extra controller. Why not? It's almost Christmas time, so I might as well make somebody's Christmas a little bit better. In order to win, guys, you gotta leave a really cool comment below. I really want you to get creative with this comment because I want you guys to tell me a really great way that I should do a face reveal. Give me some suggestions. If you guys were in my shoes, how would you guys do a face reveal and shock everybody? What kind of face reveal would you guys do? Would you do a partial face reveal? Like maybe just the eyes or the mouth? Or fake it? I don't know, guys. Get creative. I will pick the best one and you guys will win on Xbox One and possibly a lot of other stuff. So again, in the comments below, guys, before you actually leave the comment though, give this video a big thumbs up. But in the comments, tell me a great way to do a face reveal. And I need all the suggestions that I can get because I will do a face reveal eventually. And I want to do it right. I don't want to just do this. Shouldn't have taken that off. I don't want to do a plain old boring face reveal. I want to do a really awesome one. So give me some suggestions below, guys. One of the reasons why I didn't do a face reveal today was the fact that I still have my braces on. And I said that that was always going to be the main thing why I wouldn't do a face reveal. And unfortunately, they're still on. Had them since 2014. So frustrating. But just because I didn't do a face reveal in this video doesn't mean I won't ever do one. So stick around for that, guys. If you guys want to win 150 bucks, please participate in my mask design contest. If you guys want to win an Xbox One, drop a like on this video right now and then leave a comment below telling me how you guys would do a face reveal in a creative way. Thank you guys so much for stopping by and being such amazing fans. I'm glad you guys are still here. I don't plan on going anywhere, guys, so I hope you guys don't either. I'll see you pranksters in my next video. Thanks for watching.